Just a quickie video. The table is coming off. Kind of get a close-up of all that nasty damage. It's like they drilled through it and then welded it. There's spots all over this like that. And this flaking is not factory. Somebody put that there. And some YouTube Karen mentioned that Bridgeport put this on all their machines. And, you know, we had like 8 Bridgeports when I was in college, and there was no flaking on any of them. Not a single one. And, you know, when you're tramming the head and sweeping the dial indicator on here, I mean, I just go from here to here, and it's just like, you just can't. There's no way. So, we'll do a before and after. This is the before. And I will have this back in about a month. And then we will see the after. And then in the meantime, I'm going to get covers for the ways so chips don't get all in there. There'll be front and back covers. They even have an up and down cover. And I'm going to be installing different lighting. This is Adam Savage's idea, and you know, it works, but I need something a little better. Something thinner. I mean, this is kind of weak actually, and I don't like having to monkey it all up to make it work. So I've got an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and have some lights suspended down on long, flexible, whatever you call. And then I'm also gonna make some magnetic lights that you can just set down and move up to the work and shine it where you need, because lighting is an issue. And this light, it's nice and bright, but it's like I need it at all angles, and you know, it's just not working for me. So we're gonna get this table off. It's gonna get a custom crate, and it's going to get sent off to Fort Wayne, Indiana. They're going to regrind me a nice new flat surface that I can tram the head to, and that will go a long way in making this a decent milling machine. And then next month I will find somebody that can rebuild the head and get that going. It just kind of depends on how long that's going to take. I might have to live with that for a while. I don't know. I might attempt it myself. I don't know. You know, it's got a few problems. Like I said, this selector should be over here, like so. And then this gets turned there. And then I should be able to go forward with this, but when I do, it makes all kinds of noise. So something's not right. So I have to keep this there and keep that there, and then I gotta run it in reverse, which is not the way to do this. And then this here is, let's see it. This is broken. Can't really see that. There you go. There it is. Right in there. It's broken. That, I mean, that could be fixed. It's probably not a big deal, but that needs to be fixed. So I might attempt this myself. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. I'll find a forum to get on and just kind of get an idea. But I think I'd just like to send the head in to have them go through it, so I've got everything fixed and no problems. But for now, we're going to regrind the table, get that back here, and get going again.